Ieuan, 4 i ddim heno canlyniad, ydych chi'n siŵr fod yn hapus iawn efo?
Ie, ni'n gwybod bod ni angen ennill y gadre. Sa'n siŵr faint o ennill i cael y gadre, ond dim digon. Na beth ni'n meddwl, ond ie, i ennill 4-0. Mae fe'n bach o statement.
Tony, do you have to write that off as a bad day at the office?
Well, it certainly was, but so I got the team wrong. I made some changes. I think we could come back Barri, but so I got that one wrong. But no, Barri were head and shoulders better than us tonight from the first whistle to the last whistle, and no, they look like a top 6 team, and we look like a team that had struggled a bit this season. So yeah, we know we haven't been like that for a long time. We need to get over it sharpish, and tough test away again next Friday away at Barri.
We are not doing anything differently than we haven't done all season. It's just, you need that little bit of luck to build that momentum, and that's what we seem to be doing at the minute. But the boys have been fantastic all season, and it just seems to be now that, yeah, we're scoring goals as well as keeping clean sheets, and that's a decent recipe for success.
Have you set yourself any targets from now till the end of phase 1?
Yeah, we had, with 6 games to go, and the way we've been playing, we knew we'd probably have to win probably 5 of them, definitely 4, and maybe a draw to get over 30 points and then sneak into the top 6. But that result really tonight has put us in a really bad position if we're looking at top 6. But listen, I just want to win a game of football away from home and keep a clean sheet. But that never looked possible from the first goal going in tonight.
10 gol yn barod i ti tymor yma. Wyt ti'n teimlo yn lot mwy hyderus yn dy chwarae di, eleni?
Ie, tymor diwethaf bach yn anodd i fi, i ni mewn a mas, ond i fod yn deg i Steve. Mae wedi rhoi bach o trust i fi. Tymor yma, cael 10 gol cyn doleg, mae'n bleser.
Your side is building some momentum with results now, and of course there's a big cup semi-final coming up now in the Nathaniel MG. How confident are you going into that now on the back of this run?
Yeah, we are confident, but we also understand how difficult it's going to be. Up against Cymru, away from home, they're doing fantastically well. So we know it's going to be really tough. So I don't really want to look beyond that, because obviously there's games after that as well in terms of Welsh Cup and a big game against Penabont. But our focus now for next week will be totally on Cymru and trying to get to a final. The 7 games prior to tonight, we've been a lot better, but tonight we were back to the team that played the first 8 games of the season, and if that team turns up next week in Barri, then we'll have the same result.